So if you run a WordPress website, a lot of time you want to work with different people who manage your website and contribute to your website. So today we will see what are the different WordPress user roles and what permissions they have. We'll see in this video how you can create a new user and how you can assign them different roles and what these users can do with your website. We'll cover everything step by step. If you're new to this channel, I would like to tell you that in this channel I cover all the important tips and tricks creating WordPress website and managing your website. So consider subscribing the channel, and without any further ado, let's go into the video and let's see everything about user roles in WordPress. Okay, so this is our WordPress administration panel. So right now I'm logged in my website as an admin. So this is our first user role, okay, admin, which have all the rights. They can do everything. You can see on the left side you have home, updates, you can create posts, edit posts, delete posts. You can add media, you can add pages, you can edit them or you can delete them. Comments, you can moderate your comments on a website, you can delete them, approve them. Your appearance, you can change themes, you can customize themes, you can add widgets, you can edit widgets, menus, background, theme editor. Then you have plugins, you can install new plugins and you can create users. You have some tools which you can use on your WordPress website, and then finally you have settings. This is the WordPress admin user. Okay, they have all the rights. And now see what are the other kind of roles here. Let's go and create a user and we'll see there that what are the other roles also. So to create a new user, go to users and then click on add new. Okay, so this is a form from where you can create different kind of users on your WordPress website. So let's see. If you click on this drop down, you will see first type of user is admin user, second is editor, third is author, fourth is contributor, and fifth is subscriber. So administrator has most of the rights. Like I showed you before, you can do everything on your website. Then you have editor, they have less rights than administrator. Then you have author, then you have contributor, and then you have subscriber. So just to give you example, if you want to create a new user, so you need to type username for this user. For example, if I want to create a subscriber, I just enter username. You can enter anything. Just to understand for this video, I am typing subscriber so that it will be easy to follow the tutorial. Then you need to enter his email and then first name, last name, and then show password. If you send the new user an email about their account, other you can left it unchecked. And once you are done with this form, just click on add new user, and this user with a subscriber role will be added on your website. I will log in into a subscriber account and you see what options we have there. So subscriber, they have profile just like this. So they can just modify their own information. They cannot add a post or anything else on your website. They can just edit the information, the profile. If we add a user as a contributor, you can see here, contributor is somebody who can write and manage their own posts but cannot publish them. So this is a contributor profile. You can see here the option to add new, but they cannot publish their own post, and they can see comments on their post also, and then their profile, and they have some tools. So this is a typically contributor user role, and this is option what they can do. If you compare this option with the administrator, you can see administrator have all the rights, and then we subscriber, they have very less rights, just their profile, and then we are contributor, they have more rights. Okay, now we see author. Author is a user who can publish and manage their own post. They cannot manage and publish other people's posts, but they can manage and publish their own post. So let me take you inside the author dashboard. Okay, this is how your author dashboard looks like. It looks very similar to contributor. This one thing is different. They can publish their own post also. Next we have editor. If you create a user with editor rights, what they can do, they can publish and manage posts, including the post of other users also. Editor is a user role who can manage all the posts on your website, no matter who created those posts. They can add, edit and delete all the posts on your website. Let me take you into editor dashboard and see what are the options there. Okay, so this is the editor account. When you log in as editor, you can see all the posts on the website, and they can be created by any person. They can manage them, they can edit them and delete them also. And the last one is administrator. As you already see on my screen, administrator, they have all the rights. They can create, edit, post pages, they can install new themes, they can install new plugins, they can do everything on the website. So make sure when you give somebody right, if it is not important that they need to access themes and plugins, you can give them just the access they need. If you want somebody to write posts for you, you can assign them a contributor, or you can assign them an author or an editor. If you really need somebody, for example a web developer who is working on a website, you can give them roles as a administrator. So these are the all user roles I try to explain in a very simple way, and you just play around and you will understand more about user roles and permission on the WordPress websites. I hope this video was useful for you. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family who run their own WordPress website. Thank you so much. See you in another video.